Are you suffering from grey hair and searching for a natural solution? This video is just for you. Grey hair covering product is a huge business. There are over 50 products who claims covering grey hair. There may be permanent colors, semi-permanent colors, hair dyes, and there are a huge variety of products. In my previous video, I revealed the main cause for premature graying hair is oxidative stress, build-up of hydrogen peroxide molecules on your hair follicles. If you have a closer look on those products, in the ingredient list, hydrogen peroxide is there. So, ultimately, they promote premature graying of hair instead of covering grey hair. So today, we are going to make a natural hair color pack with natural ingredients. So, let's get started. Here we use all natural ingredients without any chemicals. Take a small non-stick pan and put 1 tablespoon of black tea powder. Then we add 1 tablespoon of black seed powder. Then we put another 1 tablespoon of clove powder. Mix all ingredients very well and with a minimum heat, toss these powders for about 3 minutes. Then grind the mixture. Then take another small glass container and then put 1 tablespoon from our mixture. Then we put 1 tablespoonful of natural henna powder. Make sure to use 100% natural henna powder without any dyes or metallic salts. Then we use another natural coloring pigment, that is dried butterfly pea flower powder. We use 1 teaspoon of that powder. Mix all powders and mix with the warm water. Make a paste of it and close the lid and keep the paste for 10 to 12 hours. This time is for releasing the natural color from the henna powder and mix with the other ingredients. If you just mix henna up and slap it right on, you won't get any dye effect from it at all. The henna, once mixed with water, need to sit out at room temperature for at least about 10 to 12 hours before it releases the dye. After 10 to 12 hours, take the mixture and put 2 tablespoons of hair conditioner. For this purpose, you can use the hair conditioner which I made with natural ingredients. I will put the link to the description below so you can use it. So now our natural hair color pack is ready. You need to cover your hands with gloves and gently apply on the root first, then apply accordingly. Cover the head with a plastic shower cap and leave it for 2 hours. Make your pack more liquid in consistency so it will not dry out your hair. If you feel it's a little bit hard, add more conditioner into it to easy application. After 2 hours, wash off with cold water. Don't use any shampoos. It will take 2 to 3 days to see the expected color. If you need more dark shade, repeat it after 5 days. Rather than applying harsh chemical containing hair color products, use these natural remedies that will preserve your natural beauty. These natural remedies are safe and can recommend for long time use. Always try to blend with nature so it will preserve your natural beauty. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos, Ayurveda, Yoga and Beauty. Thank you for watching.